So now we are solving example number 14th. Now example number 14th is very similar to the example number 12th if you'll observe the given conditions. What is the given condition here? Side AB, AC and the median AD of triangle ABC are proportional to side PQ, PR and the median PM of triangle PQR. Similar type of conditions are given in example number 12, and in that example also we have shown that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. But in that case, what is the given condition? Here what is given? AC is proportional to what? PR. That AC is proportional to PR, and in that example here it is given to us that AB is proportional to, means ratio of AB and PQ are equal and BC is equal to QR. But instead of BC is equal to QR, here what is given to us? AC will be equals to PR, and in that case also medians are also, the ratio of median is also equal to these ratios. Now difference is what? In that case BC is its ratio of BC and QR. So here ratio of BC and QR will be replaced by what? AC and PR. So that's why it becomes essential to solve this example doing construction. In that case also, what we have done, when BC is equal, here AC, instead of AC upon PR, BC upon QR is there in example number 12. At that time we have shown that this included angle B is equal to included angle Q, because AB upon PQ will be equal to BC upon QR. It is given condition in example number 12, and which is the included angle in these sides B and here Q. So we have tried to show that angle B is equal to Q, to show that these two triangles are what? Similar. But here observe the given condition. Instead of BC upon QR, what is given condition here? AC upon PR is there. Means AC upon PR. Means if you observe first two ratios, AB upon PQ will be equal to AC upon what? PR. And which is the included angle between them? This whole angle A and angle P. If we are able to show that this angle A will be equals to angle P, then we can say that by SAS criterion these two triangles are what? Similar. Now we are trying to show that this whole angle A will be equal to angle P, so that this triangle becomes similar by AAA criterion. In last example, very easily we are able to show that angle B is equal to angle Q. Here also, but here we have to take some efforts to show that these two angles are what? Equal. So now observe here what is our construction here. So we have extended this segment AD to point E such that AD will be equals to DE. Then join this segment CE. So here already we have written this construction. Similar method we are applying in this triangle PQR. Extend this PM to point N such that PM will be equals to MN, and join this segment NR. Already this construction we have written here. Now using this we are trying to show that these two triangles are what? Similar. Already these ratios are equal. It is given to us that AD is median, means definitely D is midpoint of BC. In the same way PM is the median, means M is the midpoint of what? QR. So well, now first we are trying to show that these two triangles are what? Congruent to each other. So now in these two triangles, see what are the given condition. Now here it is given to us that D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of what? BC, because AD is the median. So that's why we can say that BD will be equals to what? DC. And here our construction says that AD will be equals to what? DE. So these two sides are also equal, and these angles are vertically opposite angles. That's why we can say that these two triangles are congruent by SAS test. So we are considering triangle. So in triangle ABD and triangle EDC, we can say that AD will be equals to AD is equals to ED. AD is equal to DE. This is our construction. Okay. Again we can say that BD will be equals to CD, because D is midpoint. Midpoint of which side? BC. And angle ADB is equals to angle CDE, These are vertically opposite angles, and that's why we can say that these two triangle ABD is congruent to triangle EDC by which criterion? SAS criterion, or we can say that SAS test. Once these two triangles are congruent, then we can say that corresponding sides are what? Equal. So we can say that AD will be equals to what? EC. Sorry, AB will be equals to EC. So therefore AB is equals to EC. Let us denote it, say, by equation number first. Now the method which I applied to show that these two triangles are congruent, exactly same method is applicable to show that these two triangles are congruent, because here also PM will be equals to MN according to our construction. M is the midpoint because PM is what? A median. So M is midpoint means PQM will be equals to MR, and this is what? Vertically opposite angles. So we are able to show that these two triangles are congruent by SAS test. So similarly we can prove that which two triangle? Triangle PQM is congruent to triangle NMR. So once these two triangles are congruent, so we can say that PQ will be equals to what? NR. Let us denote it by equation number 2. This is give the reason corresponding parts of congruent triangle. CPCT here also corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So denote it by equation first and second. Now once this result is known to us, I am denoting here this angle say by angle first, and this angle say by angles 2. This angle say denoted by 3, and this angle I am denoting it by what? 4, for simplicity. Now we are using given condition. What is given condition here? AB upon PQ will be equals to AC upon PR is equal to AD upon PM. Okay. Now this is the given condition. See what we are trying to show here. We are trying to show that this angle first will be equals to what? This angle second. To show that these two angles are equal, we are trying to show that this triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRN using this given condition. Means to show that two triangles are similar, we have to show that corresponding sides are in proportion. Already it is given to us that AC will be equals to what? PR. It is given to us. Now we will try to show that EC will be AC upon PR. This AC upon PR, this ratio will be equals to AB upon what? PQ. Means using this condition we will try to show that corresponding three sides of this triangle are proportional to corresponding three sides of this second triangle. And if we are able to show that these two triangles are similar, we can say that angle 1 will be equals to what? Angle 2. And same method we are able to apply to show that angle 3 is equal to what? Angle 4. And by taking addition of these two equations, we are able to show that this whole angle A will be equals to whole angle P, so that we can say that these two triangles are similar. Well, so we have written here given condition. Now can I replace this AB? AB can be replaced by what? EC. So replace this AB by EC. And this PQ can be replaced by what? NR. These values we are substituting from equation first and second. From equation first and second. We are not disturbing to this second term. AC upon PR, keep it as it is. Now AD upon PM also as it is. Just simply I am multiplying to numerator and denominator by what? 2. So here EC upon NR, keep it as it is equals to AC upon PR also as it is. Now twice of AD. So twice of AD, already this AD will be equals to what? DE. So that's why we can say that twice of AD will be equals to what? AE. And here twice of PM, twice of this PM will be equals to what? PN. So from construction. Okay. So now if you'll observe that, check whether these are the corresponding sides of these two triangles. Check it. First is what? EC upon NR. So here EC upon NR. will be equals to what? AC upon PR. AC upon PR will be equals to what? AE upon PN. AE upon PN means we have shown that corresponding sides. So let us denote it by equation number 3. Corresponding sides are in proportion. For which two triangle? So in triangle AEC and triangle PNR, we can say that AC upon NR will be equals to AC upon PR will be equals to AE upon PN. So from equation number 3. So that's why we can say that these two triangles are similar by SSS criterion. So therefore triangle AEC is similar to triangle PNR by SSS criterion. Okay. So since these two triangles are similar, that's why we can say that corresponding angles are equal. So this implies that angle first will be equals to angle second. Corresponding angles of similar triangle. Now whatever may be the method we have applied to show that angle 1 is equal to angle 2, same method we have to apply to show that angle 3 is equal to angle 4. But in that case, what is our construction? Instead of joining this CE, join what? BE here and join what? QN. Means exactly same method we are applying. So that's why here we can say that similarly we can show that. What we can show that angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Let us denote it say by equation number 4 and this by equation number 5. Now we are adding these two equations. Adding equation 4 and 5. Let us see what we'll get. On this side angle 1 plus angle 3 is equals to angle 2 plus angle 4. So if you observe this figure very carefully, so here first plus third means angle BAC. So this implies that, or that is angle BAC will be equals to angle QPR. 2 plus 4. This 2 plus 4 means angle QPR. Let us denote this result say by new equation number 6. Now we are trying to show that these two triangles are similar. Now we are trying to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So consider these two triangles. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if you will observe the given condition, AB upon PQ will be equal to AC upon PR. It is given to us. AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR. This is given to us. This whole efforts we have done to show that this whole angle will be equals to this whole angle. Already two sides are in proportion. Only the remaining part is to show that included angles are equal. And here we have shown that included angles are equal. Means angle BAC will be equal to angle QPR. So from which equation? From equation number 6 we are substituting these values. So this is already given condition. This whole efforts we have taken to show that these two angles are equal. Now two corresponding sides are in proportion and and included angle is also equal. So it implies that these two triangles are similar. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by which criterion? SAS. And that is the result which we have to prove here.